Battle Creek, Michigan. That's right, baby. I am bringing AI Edge to Battle Creek, Michigan. This will be the very first time we've done an AI class, and I've come up there and shown you guys how to use AI. I'm not talking about those crappy videos. I'm not talking about those horrible pictures with 7 fingers or anything like that. I'm talking about real life usage of AI to where it will benefit you, it will benefit your consumer, it will benefit your business. I'm going to teach you how to use AI. We're going to go from the very basics to a little bit more advanced to some advanced, just so you guys understand what AI is, understand that it's not taking your job, that it's actually going to help your job, understanding what your consumer is looking for and how it's going to make you so much better, so much faster, so much easier. I'm going to teach you the difference between each one of the major AI engines and how to use them for your benefit. Now, when's this going to be? It's going to be Thursday, February 18th, 2026. It's going to go from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Where's it going to be? At the Home 2 Suites by Hilton, 13350 6.5 Mile Road, Battle Creek, Michigan, 49014. Now, I've got to thank our sponsors, because without our sponsors, none of this is possible. Esther and Ryan Leonard are two of my favorite people in the world, much less being real estate agents. These are two of my favorite people in the world. I will do anything for them. They are the ones who are bringing me up there. They are the main sponsors of this with the eXp Leonard Group. Kelly Patterson, Next Door Photos with Kalamazoo, thank you so much for being part of this. It is so great to have you as a sponsor. Jenny Haggerty with Devon Title, we appreciate you. Thank you so much for being part of this. Dan Stroll with Enviro Appraisal, LLC, thank you so much. It is mandatory that we have you guys. Vince Castoro with AFN Mortgage, thank you for having my back everywhere I go in the country. Now, sponsors, you have a responsibility. You need to get this video out to anybody that you want to help build their business, whether they be in real estate, mortgage, any service, sales, small business owners that want to learn how to use AI. I'm going to teach them how to do it. We're going to do real world techniques, real world situations. While I'm sitting there, I'm going to show you how to make it actually get you business. And I'm not talking about those horrid videos or the bad pictures or any of that. I'm talking about how to use these systems to improve your business, to make your life easier, faster, and actually more proficient and more polished. Hey, this is Johnny Fowler with AFN Mortgage. I'll see you soon.